Hey, good morning, you guys. So today we're going to be making a homemade veggie quiche. This recipe right here is simply delicious. Let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to start by adding 2 tablespoons of butter in the pan. Trust me, you want to add that butter. If not, use olive oil. Add some garlic to it. You can use fresh garlic if you want, but you're going to add some garlic to that butter. And then once you get that sauteed in, you're going to add your green bell pepper, your red bell pepper, and some yellow onion. I added only half the yellow onion to it, but you can add as much veggies as you like to this quiche. That's what makes it so amazing. You're going to get the veggies sauteed really nice. You're going to get a sweat on them and a bit of a brown to your peppers and your onions and your garlic. It's just going to be amazing. You're going to add your seasoning. Now the seasonings is very basic but flavorful. The seasonings that I added to this beautiful mixture is black pepper, sea salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and ground red pepper. This is optional if you don't like spice, and parsley flakes. So then you want to get that one good last mix, and you want to just allow this to get really nicely browned and a bit softened, so it won't be so crunchy in your quiche, unless you like it like that. So once the veggies have browned to my liking, I'm ready to add my spinach. I'm adding spinach to this. You can add whatever other extra veggies you like to it, but I just simply roughly chop the spinach up and I turn the flame off. You want to make sure you turn it off, and you're going to mix everything up together. And at this point, this is done. This is ready for the next step of bringing your delicious quiche together. So the next step is I'm going to add some milk to 4 eggs, and we're going to incorporate the milk into the eggs, and we're going to make sure we add some air into those eggs, because that's going to make a huge difference to this quiche. It's going to add some airiness, some lightness, some fluffiness into this quiche, and it's just going to make it even more amazing. So make sure you whisk well enough. So I'm whisking the eggs well enough, and then I'm going to add some salt and pepper into the eggs. That's optional, being that the veggies are already well seasoned, but I like everything seasoned. Leave me a comment below if you season everything, but not too much seasoned, just enough. And then you're going to add your veggies into the eggs mixture. Mix that another good time to be ready for your pie crust. I've already pre-baked my pie crust just to ensure everything is, well done. Then I'm adding some mozzarella cheese to this. You can add whatever cheese you like. You can add sharp cheese, you can add Gouda cheese, you can add a mild cheddar, medium cheddar, whatever cheese you like. Add that on there, okay? But I'm using mozzarella cheese. The next cheese I'm adding is some freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Oh my God, my mouth is watering doing this voiceover right now. This is simply so delicious and easy to make. So now it's ready for the oven. Nice and cheesed up, veggied up, prepared. You can add bacon to this and ham to this. I've seen people do all kind of things making a quiche. And just like that, y'all, it is out the oven, hot, fresh, golden brown. I let it sit out for about 10 minutes just to cool down, and it is oh so delicious. Are y'all ready for y'all plate? Let's go ahead and get that together. So here you have it, your delicious veggie quiche with a side of avocado, some cherries, and an orange with orange juice to the side. I hope you try this recipe out for yourself, and thank you so much for watching.